Hello, my name's Dustin Ellsworth. I'm going to walk through how to use the new QuickStats function, external function. For a CoSort, you can use it within your existing scripts in line. So let me show you how it works. Let's get a project. I'll name it IRI stats. And within that stats folder, we're just going to drag a script. You could also make a script using the wizard, and we're going to drag my data. The data will just be 3 columns, comma separated data. So here's the script, and here's the data. So our 3 columns, numbered column, and then the second one would be X, and the third will be Y. So numbered X and Y. So we're going to input these. We're taking the file in right here, and we're creating these fields, source X field and a source Y field. And then down at the out file, we're going to make a field, and that's where we have our QuickStats function. So you could put this into your existing script as well. And this takes in the X data, takes in the Y data, and then takes in what you want the file to be called that is created. It's going to be a report design file. So we're going to call it file name. Let's go ahead and run the script. Success. Okay, so this is the file that's created. File name, there's our name, and then the appended date and time. Open that up. So it creates this report design file. So this not only has the data in it from that's been calculated from your set of data, it's calculated these statistics, but it's also put them into the report design file. So you could export this right now as a PDF or HTML or something like that. Here's a PDF. So this is what you get if you don't do anything. If you just run the script, this is what you come up with. So it uses the same file name for the header. It creates the graph with the correct points, the linear regression line. This is the equation for that line that has been deducted from the data. And then you've got source data X and source data Y statistics of the average value, standard deviation, number of observances, and then you've got a confidence value to gauge kind of the quality of this data, whether you want to make decisions on this data, maybe how precise it is, how tightly it's trending the line. And we got these using the Boost C++ library statistics functions for the chi-squared test. So it's just a base set of statistics to work off of as a kind of a look in time of what your data looks at that exact time. So you could just run these once a week, once a day. You get a set of them, and you'll be able to tell how this trend line is changing, and you get the numbers for it. And hopefully you could make some decisions based off of that. So that's the report design file itself that you can create the report from. But the design file also, it lets you change things. So say you want to go in and change the layout. Say the legend, you want your layout go top, above. Okay, so now the legend's up there. You could change the sizes, the colors, everything. Just as if it's a full BIRT report, we just created it for you on the fly. So you can come in and change things to how you'd want them to look after if you need that. If you don't and you want the generic report, it can be auto-generated consistently and stored in the same file folder. So that's pretty much what it does.